it is the 6 7, but let's get started. What is the topic we have to be? बहुत important topic है, and it must be carefully attention all the students. I just preparing my human resource management topic is job analysis, information processing. First of all, the topic point is that the final step is job analysis process. क्या is involve the classifying, collecting the data. For example, uh, if you have some type of just like what would I give example on that point is just wait I written down is that mean for example if you as working as a factory supervisor, so you have to be supervise all the workers, checking machine, monitoring all the machine, monitoring all the workers performance, maintaining and keeping the records, and ensuring the safety. This would be the job uh, description. You have to be collect the data from different departments, just like supervising worker you should note down, checking machine what are the data operators, machine working about what are the data, especially records maintained is also important. Collection and organizing classifying data, this is a point. Second point is that job description means it is a part of job analysis. It includes the responsibilities, duties, and locations of the working conditions. One by one step I will understand what is the point of job responsibilities and duties. uh, duties is just like a task performed to, just for example, production, a department task, small task you should given to the someone other worker. It includes some type of production task. Safety standards are whether followed or not followed, very importantly. And report to the manager, mean maintaining a records or giving information or proper record to the manager. This point is just included in the duties. And also responsibility, you are responsible, you should give all this data on time if you are responsible. Second point is that details also done. Location, main location is, you are a factory supervisor, so main location is factory floor. factory floor means जहाँ पे फैक्ट्रीज बनती हैं या जहाँ फैक्ट्री का काम स्टार्ट होता है, एक प्रॉपर पोर्शन, एक बड़ा कमरा या बड़ा ग्राउंड हो सकता है फैक्ट्री फ्लोर. देन वर्किंग कंडीशन क्या होती है, कहते हैं हम अगर कहाँ व्हेन वी आर चूजिंग वर्किंग इन दैट environment is very important role play when you go on some professional jobs, because house environment is different, working environment is different, professional environment is very different. But now you have to be maintained, you have to be set according to that. You are able, you are satisfied with this working environment, with this working condition. So according to the factory supervisor, there should be loud and noisy environment. You should done also noise and late light shift also doing. um, Daily, just like occasional night shift I already talk is that exposure to the many machinery. Exposure to machinery meaning is that you should daily check out the machine, you should working with machine, you should operating, you should watch that how the machine should be operated. This is the factory industry work regularly. uh, some important point you should be considered while you just operating with your exposure to machinery. First point is affect the safety planning. In this you have to be maintain the safety important. Take a step, just like you should wear helmets, you should help all the worker to wear and inform all the worker to wear the helmets, gloves, earplugs. Proper knowledge you should be given to the all the worker, and you have a trust that your workers have a proper knowledge. This point cover is first. Second point is that influences the job requirements. Influences job requirement means that people influences job requirement means your job is require and influence other means influences. There's some type of some effect means if you are physically able, if you are physically fit, you are emotionally fit to take that type of risk, because in that factory lot of many risks, small type of risk from that machines, sparks, etc. So you are highly alert and handled all the risk and hazards in working and environment internally or externally. Next we have the and follow the safety, uh, uh, and you should maintain the safety around the machines. your responsibilities, nobody's help with you, because very danger some type of facing in when you're working with the factory machines or operators. Next point is that guide mark work environment standards. You are the own person, you are the owner responsible for your worker to working well in that condition, because the condition is very tough to working. So you should the responsible, this is your responsibility come in the point. Third point is come your responsibilities. What is your responsibility? Your responsibility to guide what are the standard, what are the principles to follow, and what act you should know about that. This factory act you should understand, you should knowledge and given to that and told to the your workers, labors. Just for example, protocols important, safety protocols, example shops and sorry emergency stop. Sometimes there is a lot of big danger, sometimes fire etc. This is type of warning signals you should know. So you should stop and emergency stops and warning signal and also given to the workers. Next we have uh, all description is done. I hope you will understand. Next we have the job specification. Job specification is means that minimum qualities, minimum qualification. If you are joining as a interview given as just you have a specified specification is a special skill. Special skill you have at least minimum a diploma from a high school, from a college. Second, prefer what type of, why would you prefer, why someone is prefer to you only, why you, because you have some type of extra industrial and engineering courses, IIT sorry not manufacturing related field courses, experiences, 2 to 3 years experiences matters nowadays, very important. You are not fresher but you have experience gain now. Everybody wants experienced person at least 1 or 2 3 year. You have manufacturing production experience in some small factory or some small firm, production environment etc. As a at a what a role as a supervisor or team leader, it also must be preferred. Next was what a skill. I don't know, skill is required, but skill is very important. Skill is not just like have extra creativity, no. Your communication, how to handle the talk with other laborers, how you manage if someone risk is come, how to able to adjust in that congested and very danger environment. This is called the skill. uh, Problem solving and decision making skills, good communication, nothing is more extra added on this is but main point is that you should be good communication skill, leadership and team management and supervisor skill is also included in this point. Knowledge about what manufacturing process and machinery, of course, very important is that understanding of manufacturing process and machinery. Knowledge of the workplace and safety standards बहुत important है. सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड मतलब होता है कि हमने कैसे सेफ्टी अपनी मेंटेन करनी है, क्या स्टैंडर्ड्स, मतलब सेफ्टी के अंदर कुछ ऐसे एक्ट या कुछ रूल्स बने होते हैं जो हमें पता ही नहीं होते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ रिस्क, एट द टाइम ऑफ हेल्थ हैजर्ड, कई बार ऐसे आ जाते हैं, हमने क्या स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो करके हमें फ़ोन नंबर तक भी नहीं पता होता, तो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स, हमें पता होने चाहिए, उन हमें भी पता होना चाहिए और सुपरवाइजर को भी पता होना चाहिए. बात यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकेशन की बात हो रही है, सुपरवाइजर की बात हो रही है. नेक्स्ट वो फिजिकल एंड पर्सनल रिक्वायरमेंट, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. फिजिकल और पर्सनल फिजिकली फिट होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऐसे नहीं है कि वो लुक अच्छी नहीं, मतलब फिजिकली थोड़ा एक्टिव होना चाहिए, लेजी नहीं होना, लेजी का मतलब नहीं, एग्रेसिव नहीं होना चाहिए इस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली वो. उसकी साउंडनेस अच्छी होनी चाहिए, मेंटल क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, हियरिंग अच्छी, टॉकिंग अच्छी, सब कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए. ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे इसलिए लिख रखा है पर्सनल रिक्वायरमेंट के अंदर, फिजिकल एंड पर्सनल रिक्वायरमेंट के अंदर, इसमें इन्होंने मेंशन किया है एबिलिटी टू वर्क प्रेशर एंड मीट डेडलाइंस. यहाँ पे इन्होंने इसलिए मेंशन किया है क्योंकि उसके अंदर इतनी एबिलिटी है कि वो डेडलाइंस को टाइम पे पूरा कर सके, क्या वो टारगेट्स को अचीव कर सके इतने कम टाइम के अंदर. तो दिस इज़ द फिजिकल एंड पर्सनल, ये सब पर्सनल में चीज़ों में आता है. ये हम ऐसे ग्रुप में नहीं इंक्लूड कर सकते, उसकी पर्सनल की चीज़ें देखी जाएगी, उसकी एबिलिटी देखी जाएगी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द वर्किंग कंडीशन मेंशन कर दिया. वेरी डेंजर एनवायरनमेंट में काम भी करना कई बार पड़ सकता है ना. नॉइजी इन्वायरमेंट भी काम करना पड़ सकता है, रात को शिफ्टिंग यूज़ करनी पड़ सकती है. तो उस समय पे हमें कैसे कैसे सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स की बात की गई है, यूज़ ऑफ द सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स की बात की है. दिस पॉइंट वुड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड. Job description, I hope this will understand, and if you don't, if you have any doubt, please write down in claps. Okay, all the best, bye.